Most assist hooks fail right here, but stick around and I'll show you how I make mine the Japanese way. Hi, I'm Kokisi, and in today's video I'm going to show you how we build reliable assist hooks in Japan that won't let you down when you finally get that fish that you've been waiting for all day. Let's get to it. So for this demonstration I'm going to be using the Owner jigging assist line. This one's 140 pounds and it also comes with a threader. This one here. But I'm going to be using this other Cultiva one because it's a bit longer and it's easier to thread the bobbin holder with. The hooks are these Cultiva Fire 4.5 hooks, and these ones are really special because, as you can see on the shaft, they have little notches protruding, and what that does, it helps the assist line clamp down tight so you get a better grip and it prevents slipping. Okay, for the solid rings I'm using the Cultiva number 5s. These ones are really good because there's no weld joint on them, so there's no weak spot. And I've got some Cultiva scissors here, and these are really sharp, so it's a lot easier to cut the assist line with. And finally, I'll be using this Fluorocarbon. This is a Japanese number 2.5, which is about 10 pounds. And you basically thread it through the assist line and it helps stiffen up a little bit to stop it sagging in the water. So for today's demonstration, I'm going to be making one for this jig. So the rule of thumb is that the assist line and hook should be about 1/3 the length of a jig, and you need to account the length of the hook in that as well. So for this particular jig, that comes out to about 4 centimeters, but you need to thread the assist line back through on itself, so I'll be cutting it at 8 centimeters. Okay, let's measure it up. Here's 8 centimeters. Move this out the way and I'll just cut it right here. Just like that. Okay, the next step is to put the threader through the assist line just to open up a little bit. And what that does is it helps the fluorocarbon go through it easier. So I'll just push it through it until it comes out the other end like this, and then cut it here. Okay, that's that part done. So next, once again, I'm going to put the threader through the assist line, being careful not to poke the fluorocarbon out, and put it through at the halfway point. Now, this is a really important point that I always forget myself. You need to put the solid ring on here. Otherwise, it's all going to be put together and you're not going to be able to get it on. Okay, then we're going to poke it through the threader here until it comes out the other side. Okay, just like this. And if you look at the end of the threader, can you see it's got a little groove which everything can snap into, and it holds it in there tight. Okay, now that that's secure, we've got it looking like this. So the next stage is to pull it through itself. Now this bit's a little bit tricky, but just be patient and pull on it gently. And if it's not moving, you can just roll the assist line around a bit to loosen it up and then pull it again. It will come through, it just takes a little bit of patience. Okay, here it comes. Okay, then we can unhook it from the threader and then pull it all even and we're done. That's the assist line bit done. Okay, next we need to get the hook in the vise and get this wound around the hook. For this next part, I'm going to be using the Owner Cultiva Saltwater Edition vise. Now this is special because it comes with little slots in the vise head there. So what that does, it allows you to grip down better on larger jigging hooks as well as regular size ones as well. And it comes with 2 bases, so I usually use this pedestal. It's really solid and heavy, so it stops everything wobbling around. But it also comes with this one here, So you just unscrew the shaft and screw it into here, and it allows you to put it onto a table. It's pretty useful. You can do it without this, but I like to use these because it keeps your hands free and allows you to focus more on the hook, getting the right tension. Next, we're going to get the bobbin holder set up. So I'll be using the one with beads today, the X version. And for the thread, I like to use this one. It's really strong, it's smooth, and it also glows in the dark. So this is really good when you're fishing in murky conditions or overcast conditions, or even when you're fishing in deep water. It just helps attract the fish. This spool also comes with a rubber grommet on one side, and what that does is it grips onto the bobbin holder here, so when you're not winding, it stops the line just spooling out. So I'm going to use the long threader again, so I can just poke it through here, like so, until it comes out of the other side. Then put the line through like this, and then we can just put it through to the other side, and that's ready to go. So these fire hooks have special notches on the bottom that prevent the assist line from slipping off, but just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to show you what you do with regular ones because most hooks don't have these on it. So first of all, we're going to make basically a base winding, just like this. Okay, it doesn't have to be anything too fancy, just about 1 centimetre to 1.5 centimetres long. Like this. Okay, and then we'll just trim it off there. And as I said, that's going to stop this sliding off. All right, now here's the really important part. As you can see on this spade hook, it's pointing upwards. If you were to put it on like this, as you can see, it's being pulled onto the sharp edge, which is just going to cut straight through. So you need to go on the bottom side of it. Now, what I like to do is use the ring pointing upwards, and then I find it sits on the jig eye in the best position. Okay, so first of all, I'm just going to go around a few times loosely, just to hold it in place. Okay, there we go, like this. And then I'm going to tighten it down. All right, so it's really important to maintain tension while you're doing this. Just bring it round all the way to the end, like so. And when you get to this bit here, I like to put a lot of tension on it because that's where it's gripping it the most. Okay, at this point, I'm going to put some glue on it just to be sure it's not going to come off. I use this brush type glue. It's the easiest way to apply it for this kind of application. But if you're using this type glue, be sure to put the lid on as soon as you're done, otherwise it dries up really quickly. Okay, so now there's some glue on it. We'll go around one more time. And if you get any blobs of glue on the bottom there, you can just spread it out with a line like so. All right, how much of this line you tie onto the shaft is up to you, but I usually go about this much. Okay, it's looking good. All right, we'll just go around one more time, back to the end, and that's done. So next we extend this, get 2 fingers and just make a loop. I don't have a whipper finisher at the moment, so I just do it this way, and then you put it over the hook like so, and just pull it tight, like this. Well, finally, just cut it off like that and you're done. And once again, just to finish it off, we're going to put a bit more glue on it, just a little bit, just to hold everything in place. Oh, that's a bit much. And wait for it to dry. There you go. And that's how we make the assist hooks. Okay, let's unclamp it from the vise and give you a closer look. Okay, there we go. Perfect. Look at that. It looks great. And there's nothing more satisfying than reeling in a big fish on a hook that you made yourself like this. That brings us to the end of this tutorial video. Thanks so much for watching wherever you are in this world, and I really hope you learned something from it. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments down below. Sayonara.